Hello everyone, in this lesson, we will learn the basic features of NURBS curves in Maya. A NURBS curve is an object used to create smooth curves and serves as the foundation for many modeling tasks. In particular, the extrude and revolve tools covered in the next lesson are based on curves. First, open Curve Tools from the Create menu and select the CV Curve tool. CV stands for Control Vertex and represents the points used to control the shape of a curve. Let's first look at the tool options. The most commonly used type is the Degree 3, or cubic, curve. Degree 1 linear curves connect points with straight lines. Degree 3 cubic curves create smoother shapes, and are the most commonly used type. A cubic curve requires at least 4 CVs to form a proper curve. Let's place some points in the top view. If you place a point by mistake, press backspace to remove the last point. When you are finished placing points, press Enter to complete the curve. Select the curve and switch to Control Vertex mode using the right mouse button menu. Moving a CV changes the shape of the curve. With NURBS curves, you shape the curve by adjusting CVs rather than editing the curve directly. The square marker indicates the start point, and the U-shaped marker shows the curve direction. Selecting Hull from the right-click menu displays the guidelines connecting the CVs. EP stands for Edit Point and represents a point that lies directly on the curve. The segment between two edit points is called a span. Now let's look at some curve editing tools. Open the Curves menu from the top menu bar. We will focus on several commonly used functions. First, let's look at Attach and Detach. Select the curve and switch to Curve Point mode. Choose a point on the curve and run Detach Curve to split it into two separate curves. Now select the two separated curves and run Attach Curve. Before applying it, let's take a look at the options. In most cases, blend is preferred over connect for a smoother result. The insert knot value determines how closely the attached curve matches the original shape. Keep original determines whether the original curves are preserved. After applying the settings, the two curves will be joined into one. If you want to add a CV, right-click on the curve, switch to Curve Point mode. Select the desired location, and then click Insert Knot. Next are the open and close functions. Let's create a NURBS circle. By default, a NURBS circle is a closed curve. Running Open-Close curve will convert it into an open curve. Running it again will close the curve. Next is the Add Points tool. Before applying the command, delete the history. This tool allows you to extend a curve by adding new points. Next is Rebuild Curve. This tool rebuilds the structure of the curve. The Number of Spans option is commonly used to redistribute CVs more evenly along the curve. Finally, let's look at Reverse Direction. This tool reverses the start and end points of the curve. It is often used when the curve direction needs to be changed for animation or motion path setups. In the next lesson, we will learn how to create 3D models using curves. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, please subscribe and hit the bell for more Maya tutorials. Thanks.